Okay, we finally got things organized and now we are going to do this the right way.
Well, I think I should be president because...
Shut up, American. I will RIG the election and you all will lose, so just stop and let them vote for me.
Hey, stop interrupting, you Asian.
Hey, you all be quiet. I'm rigging the election and I am going to make a video with Shane Dawson about this, plus I'm counting my votes.
Oh my gosh, security.
I didn't give my reason.
That is because you are not as fast as me, because I come from ninja country when you, slow American, cannot withstand me.
Stop interrupting, you Asian.
Ha. I got 100 votes. In your face, everyone.